Happy Friday edition, No Edits Crypto episode 380 coming to you a little bit after noon EST. Let's see, three stories in the market. First story is from CD Media. Russia has postponed the adoption of crypto legislation due to a requirement from the Financial Action Task Force on Money Laundering, FATF, local news agency TASS Task reports May 21st. According to the report, the FATF has recently ordered Russian lawmakers to expand the terminology of the federal bill on regulation of crypto assets, requiring that the country legislate major industry terms such as cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Russia's major crypto bill on digital financial assets, DAF, was passed by the Russian parliament in May 2018, but was sent back to the first reading stage after reports of it lacking major key concepts such as crypto mining, cryptocurrencies, and tokens. So, more news about Russia and their moves toward crypto, with a lot of talk about a gold-backed crypto now there, and more news on regulations and delays there. Second story is Facebook to roll out GlobalCoin cryptocurrency in 2020. According to a report, this is from Wolfie Zhao of CoinDesk. Social media giant Facebook is set to roll out its own cryptocurrency dubbed GlobalCoin in 2020, according to a report from the BBC. The news broadcasting organization said on Friday that Facebook is planning to launch the cryptocurrency-based payment system in a dozen countries by the first quarter of 2020 and is looking to start trials by the end of this year. Facebook has apparently sought for advice from officials of the U.S. Treasury and the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney regarding opportunities and regulatory issues for the initiative, which is internally referred to as Project Libra. More details about Facebook's crypto plan are expected to be revealed in the coming months, the report said. According to the FT, Facebook has also been in talks with Coinbase and Gemini Exchange, which is of Winklevoss fame and creation. The Winklevi brothers seeking to prepare third-party regulated platforms to users of its coin to store and exchange the asset. It cites two people familiar with the matter as the source for information. Notably, Gemini is the firm founded by Mark Zuckerberg's old legal combatants, as I noted, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, but they also run a highly regulated exchange, a factor that will likely appeal to Facebook, since regulation will be one of the key hurdles with the new cryptocurrency, the FT points out. So Mark Zuckerberg now needs the Winklevoss twins in his corner, and there are reports from the Financial Times, the Bitcoin has reported this, that he actually has already spoken or reached out to Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss about this matter. So interesting to see the old gang back together. Third story today is corporate giants entering Bitcoin, embracing crypto in this massive boom for Bitcoin. Binance has lost to 7,000 Bitcoin, Bitfinex and Tether's trouble in court, and the continual disapproval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs aside, the crypto news cycle has been wildly positive. This trend continued on Thursday with a multi-billion-dollar telecommunications giant revealing that it would be taking its first step to foray into the cryptocurrency, shocking investors this ecosystem over. Announced Thursday, AT&T, a Texas-based American technology giant valued at $234 billion, will be accepting Bitcoin payments for its services through the Atlanta-headquartered BitPay. Per a press release, AT&T is now the first major U.S. mobile carrier to provide its millions of customers with the ability to purchase services for cryptocurrency. Speaking on the matter, Kevin McDormand, Vice President of AT&T Communications Finance Business Operations Unit, spoke on this, and he said, We're always looking for ways to improve and expand our services. We have customers who use cryptocurrency, and we're happy to offer them a way to pay their bills with this method. As this news broke, many in the crypto community saw this as a validation of the return of the Bitcoin bull. Because why would a massive company accept an asset that is dying or is already dead? So I just find this so humorous that everyone is getting on board now. It's actually a great thing, but it's funny that it has taken this long in some regard. But everybody's finally realizing that there's only 4 million of these left to be mined. 21 million total supply, finite. There will be no inflation, so everybody wants to get as many as they can. Corporations are no different than individuals, and I think we're just going to see more and more of this. It'll be like every single week. It'll be another big company adding cryptocurrency now that the floodgates have been opened up. Bitcoin up 4.05% today, $8,062. Ethereum up 4.17%, $251.12. Bitcoin Cash up 5.66%, $410.07. Litecoin on a roll today, up over $100 finally, 13.33% in the green, $100 even. EOS up 8.41%, $6.41. Binance Coin still on a tear, up 6.71%, $33.54. Monero up 2.5%, $85.95. Dash up 5%, $154.70. Ethereum Classic up 5.45%, $7.19. Neo down 3.62%, or up 3.62%, $11.61. To the second page of LiveCoin Watch, which is my preferred market cap site. Steem up 2.24%, just under 40 cents at 39.42 cent. And lastly, Flash currently at 0.0026 cent, up 10.21% against fiat in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance up a little bit, back over 57% at 57.18, and aggregate market cap $100,000 away from cracking a billion again, or a quarter trillion again at 249,900,331,000. So super positive news day for cryptocurrency and the blockchain space. Let's see if this keeps it going throughout the weekend. It looks like the bulls might be back in charge of this market after a couple days of a little bit of worry that we're going to dip back maybe into the lower 7,000s or 6,800 to retest that region. It looks like maybe we're actually going to head closer to 9K and maybe break back into five figures here shortly. Everyone have a good Friday.